Alrighty, mini lesson number 4, we're going to talk about functions. This says list the domain and the range, and then tell me whether or not it's a function. The domain, I'll use D for domain. The domain is a set of x values, so 1, 2, -1, +1, 3, and 5, but what I did wrong here was listed this guy twice. So in the domain and range, you don't list repeats, so we're just going to say it's 1, 2, -1, 3, and 5. You don't list repeats. Same thing with the range, only instead of the set of x values, we're going to do 3, 4, 6, 4 again, I'm not listing that again, I'm not listing that again, 7. So 3, 4, 6, and 7, you don't list repeats in the domain or the range. And then when it says, is it a function, I'm going to think about this as a mapping diagram. If I had 1, 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 4, -1 maps to 6, 1 also maps to 4, and that's right now I can stop and say this is not a function because the definition of a function is no x value goes to two different y values. Here 1 is mapping to 3 and 1 is mapping to 4, so we can say no, this is not a function. I don't even need to keep going. Once I know it's not a function, I can just stop. Now the other way we can tell if something is a function is we use what's called the vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line and I have to think about drawing a bunch of vertical lines, if any one of these vertical lines crosses this relation twice, then it's not a function. So you think about it. Right now, that vertical line's crossing just one time. It's crossing just one time right here. It's crossing just one time, one time, one time. The whole time, it's only ever crossing just one time. So this would be a function. Yes, this is a function because it passes the vertical line test. Here, it's pretty easy to see. Well, I could put one right here and say it does pass the vertical line test right there, but if it ever fails, like right here, this guy crosses twice, so this is not a function. And that's it.